So, hello everyone, and I welcome to our channel Engineering Technology and Meditation Rituals. Today, I am going to discuss on Batuk Bhairav Sadhna, Lord Batuk Bhairav Sadhna, which is very useful for the sadhaks, and this video will be very much informative to all of you. So let's get started. So Batuk Bhairav Sadhna. What is Batuk Bhairav Sadhna? Batuk Bhairav Sadhna is a powerful, effective spiritual practice. And this practice is solely dedicated to Lord Bhairav. Lord Bhairav is a fierce form of Lord Shiva. Batuk Bhairav is considered as an energetic form of Lord Bhairav. So what is the importance of Batuk Bhairav Sadhna in life? The practice of Batuk Bhairav Sadhna is highly beneficial as it has numerous positive benefits. First one is spiritual growth and self-realization. It is believed that Batuk Bhairav Sadhana practitioner attains spiritual growth and self-realization in very short period of time. This sadhana is very much helpful for protection and safety. It is considered, Lord Bhairav is considered as a protector, and the practice of Batuk Bhairav Sadhana is believed to offer protection and safety to the sadhak. Furthermore, this sadhana brings courage and confidence. It inculcates courage, confidence in the sadhak, which helps them to overcome the fears and day-to-day challenges. Lastly, prosperity and success. It is quite obvious that the practice of Batuk Bhairav Sadhana is believed to bring prosperity and success in life. But before practicing this sadhana, few precautions should be taken. As in my every video, I am discussing the same point that sadhak should consult a spiritual guru who has practiced this sadhana. Under his guidance only this sadhana to be practiced. It should be practiced regularly, and this sadhana practicing should be avoided during menstruation and during the pregnancy period. Please take note of it, because this sadhana is not mild one. So I hope that those who are interested, I am not suggesting this sadhana for the new sadhaks, but those who have taken Guru Diksha and they have practiced Guru Mantra, they can go for first of all the Lord Ganesha sadhana, and after that they can go for this sadhana. So thank you very much. This much information today I thought I should share with you all. Thanks for listening. Thank you.